Hi everyone, for today's video I just wanted to show you how you can quickly fold the third row seat from your Honda Odyssey. So this is a Honda Odyssey 2007, and basically the procedure will be exactly the same for Odyssey 2005 to 2010, and it will be similar to all the other Odysseys. So if you look over here, you have this pull rope right here, and then you have a latch right here. So you want to pull this rope first to put the seat down, okay? And then you want to pull this latch right here and pull this rope like this, okay? Same thing here. You want to pull this latch and pull the rope, and that's how you fold the third row seat of your Honda Odyssey. And I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.